Hey, it's Clayton. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol TBLT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis several times before, but after today's price movement, definitely updates need to be made. Quite the eventful day, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance. First key level from the support side of things is just where the price really did a good job of finally kind of officially leveling out. And that was right here at about 37 cents. Yeah, I realized the price, earlier on in the day, got down below that area. But from a bigger picture kind of general perspective, the price has maintained up above that area after it fell, below it, got back above it. And then, like I said, as far as, after getting above it, just went sideways up here and did a good job of consolidating. And the other reason why 37 is important, and I'm not saying this will occur, but if the price were to then turn downwards, go to 37, and then just continue on down through it, well, at that point in time, that would literally be putting the price, right back to where it was at these lows. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength or true, power or anything like that. So keeping eye on the 37-cent mark, you just don't want to see the price quote unquote going back to where it was, and that is what 37 represents. Now, in the event the price can start to work its way back upwards, first key level of resistance to watch is going to be that purple line up there, the 50-period moving average. The keyword there being moving, because I get it, that line's way up there right now, and the current price is down there. But as time goes by, that line is gonna move itself lower and lower, and therefore get more relevant. So keep a general overall idea on that. But from any point of view, and I'm going to go ahead and kind of scrunch this up, the bears are definitely in full control right now. There's a downwards trend to it, and the downwards trend just accelerated that much more with the gap down today. And this will mean a little bit more of those you'd have traded for a while. But if you have traded for a while, then I'm sure you've seen stocks like this in this price range, down below $1, where they get beat up. They're in a downtrend. And then they have, a day like this where they gap down. And while it doesn't mean that the next day is for sure, any sort of bounce back or anything like that, these movements can have some pretty, tradable opportunities. So worth at least keeping an eye on and seeing if any sort of dead cat bounces show up. But we'll see how this one plays out on Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.